guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to embed video in Vimeo. Let's start. So for those who are not so tech savvy or doesn't understand, like what's embed, like we commonly use that, it's pretty much a common word, but in essence, embed is like forcing, or if you want to add an element or copying code, or there's like so many things that you could like add to that particular video or to any material, like when you embed, when you insert something, that's pretty much embed. So here for Vimeo and how to embed, like I'm just gonna pull up one old video that I have. So guys, you could actually go to like manage videos, or you could actually just click on this one, or sometimes it would actually show you immediately what your uploads were. So in this case, just at the lower just at the bottom part of the thumbnail of your video, there's like three dots in there, says more actions. If you click on that, select embed, it would like if you click on this one, it's pretty much straightforward. It will lead you to the video wherein if you would like to make some edits. And for this case, you need to upgrade to a plus plan, meaning that there's like fee, or it's a subscription if you want to do advanced settings in terms of embedding that. But if you just want to simply like embed this to your like email, okay, so this one, if you click on that, guys, you can actually copy this one. Okay, when you copy that, you could either paste that in your email, or you can send it to someone that who could pretty much check this video. There's also a way for you to do another thing. We're in at the lower, same three dots right there. So when you say embedded email, if you select that, there's an option for you to either just simply like a link to be sent. If you want to customize your URL, you can also do that. Or you just don't want to have any link, so up to you how you would want to edit your privacy. So that's it. I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to our channel, hit like, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.